Hello kids, welcome back to channel. Today I learn alphabets A to Z. Kids colors name. Red color, black color, blue color, green color, brown color, yellow color. Kids, now you are coloring alphabets A to Z. Kids, first you draw A for apple, A for ant, and use red color, the alphabets of A. Kids, again use red color and draw B for ball, B for bat, the alphabets of B. Kids, now you draw C for cat, C for car, the alphabets of C, and use black color, C for cat, C for car, the alphabets of C. Kids, again use black color and draw D for dog, D for doll, the alphabets of D. Kids, now you draw E for egg, E for elephant, the alphabets of E, and use blue color, E for egg, E for elephant, the alphabets of E. Kids, again use blue color and draw F for fish, F for fan, the alphabets of F. Kids, now draw G for God, G for glass, the alphabets of G, and use green color, G for God, G for glass. Kids, again use green color and draw H for hand, H for helicopter, the alphabets of H. Kids, now draw I for ice, I for ice cream, the alphabets of I, and use brown color. Kids, again use brown color and draw J for joker, J for jackfruit, the alphabets of J. Kids, now draw K for kite, K for king, the alphabets of K, and use yellow color, K for kite, K for king. Kids, now draw L for lion, and use yellow color, the alphabets of L. Kids, now draw M for moon, the alphabets of M, and use red color. Kids, again use red color and draw N for nose, N for nest, the alphabets of N. Kids Nidra O. O for orange, O for octopus. The alphabets of O. And use black color. Black color. O for orange, O for octopus. Kids again use black color and draw P. P for parrot, P for penguin. The alphabets of P. Kids neither Q. Q for queen. The alphabets of Q. And use blue color. Blue color. Kids again use blue color and draw R. R for rose, R for rice. The alphabets of R. Kids now draw S. S for sun. The alphabets of S. And use green color. Green color. T. T for teacher, T for tiger. And again use green color. Green color. Kids Nitra U. U for umbrella. The alphabets of U. And use brown color. Brown color. Kids again use brown color and draw V. V for van, V for vanilla. The alphabets of V. Kids neither W. W for wolf. The alphabets of W. And use yellow color. Yellow color. Kids again use yellow color and draw X. X for X-ray. The alphabets of X. Kids neither Y. Y for yak. The alphabets of Y. And use red color. Red color. Kids again use red color and draw Z. Z for zebra, Z for zoo. The alphabets of Z. The last we draw Z. Kids, today we draw A for apple, B for ball, C for cat, D for dog, E for elephant, F for fish, G for goat, H for hand, I for ice cream, J for jackfruit, K for kite, L for lion, M for moon, N for nest, O for orange, P for parrot, Q for queen, R for rose, S for sun, T for teacher, U for umbrella, V for vanilla, W for wolf, X for x-ray, Y for yak, and Z for zebra. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.